Video. Will this switch? Yeah, okay. Alright, we're right side up. Okay, guys, we're doing another Nerf war video. Now it's on my friend Max's gun. And then we're gonna do 2 rounds like this. Okay? Right, Max?
Yep.
Alright. And he's using a rapid strike.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, what do you want? You want the tower or you want out in the field?
I want field.
You want field? Alright, go get field.
Zach's using modulus.
Yeah, I'm using a module today stick. He has a rapid strike 12 round mag, but he has a hammer.
I have a hammer. Alright. We're doing 3 shot only.
Yep, 3 shot kill.
Ready?
Hey, this time don't waste all your darts.
Huh?
So this time don't waste all your darts.
I wasted all of them except for 2.
Ready?
Set. Go. This is gonna be an epic battle. I can't aim anymore.
What?
I can't aim anymore.
I know. Sucks, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'm scared of you, bro.
What?
I'm scared of you.
Ah, I can't get a clear shot. There's only one problem. Not having your hammer shot on your body and not next to the water trash can. I'm gonna take it.
No, you're not, bro. Come on. Oh, no! Ow! Mistakes! No!
You made a mistake. You got hit.
So 2, once. I got hit once. Fudge. Ah! Oh, sorry.
Okay. So pick up all your darts. Okay, hey, introduce Sean.
This is Sean, who's wasting his ammo. I don't know if you can see him, because I can't see the camera.
Second. Alright, so that's Sean.
I need 8.
Did you say what gun he's using?
He's using okay. He's using the striper.
Striper?
Yeah, striper.
A striper.
A striper. A striper.
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 I'm assuming pretty much all of these are to mine.
No, they're mine.
Well,
I need 8 of them.
you need 8. That's yours.
Okay.
Mine.
Are you just gonna give me all the bad bullets? Huh?
Yeah. I'm just taking all the suction cups.
No. Okay.
Look at my beautiful feet.
I had some suction.
Get some. There's a couple over there.
I had literally.
Your gun is so much lighter.
Huh?
Alright, so we're gonna do 2 rounds with him, and then I don't know if we'll put it on Sean. He might be a little too young for the camera. Alright, Sean, are you in the war?
The same bullet is always on top. Like every round. It's the same bullet.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, no touch. Okay, so what do you want, field or inland? I guess. All right, hey guys. Now because there's more people, we're gonna be able to go into my house. Okay.
Okay, so look, there's forest here, tower there, field, and then desert.
All right. If you go off the grass, you are out.
Okay, I want desert because it's far, far away.
Stay on the concrete. No, you have to stay on the grass.
Okay, I got
I'll take the other side of my house.
I got desert.
All right, you go way out. You go into my front yard.
All right.
You go way to my front yard. Sean, you go to the front yard.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're still doing the 3 shot this time it's 3 people. Are y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Zach, you ready? Zach. Zach. Ready, set, go. Okay. I'm going this way, around the house. It's gonna hurt my feet because I'm barefoot. We're all barefoot. Oh, foot's the sack. Oh, it's a bit muddy here. It's a swamp, not the desert. Okay. Just have to get around and spot it and shot it. I hate this. Oh gosh.
Alright, it's not good because I'm in the middle of both of you guys.
That's 3.
You're dry! That's good for you.
That's 2.
That's 3.
That was 2.
Hey dude, Sean's in your tail. Don't bring it on. Go get him. I'm so full health.
I'm having to go around the house. Oh wait. Okay, I have to go around the house now. Sean. Oh crap! This isn't fair! I can't go anywhere!
Out!
Sean, you're dead.
You're out. You're out. No, you dropped it. All right, I hit Max 3 times, making me the overall victor.
Shut up.
Mostly. All right, we're gonna do one more round next episode because we have a lot of darts to pick up and that will take too long.
I have 17.
Okay.
I need to pick up.
Have a nice day.